I need to tell you about today. Not because it was dramatic, not because something blew up or I had some big breakthrough moment, because today was the first day everything worked together at the same time, and I want to document it before I forget what it felt like, because I think this is one of those days I'm going to look back on. My name is Drew. I'm building AetherWave Studio alone, 11 weeks from launch, and today, for the first time, my entire AI stack ran simultaneously, autonomously, and in complete coordination. Let me show you exactly what that looked like. Let me give you the context before I walk you through the day. AetherWave Studio is an AI creative platform I've been building for 8 months. Music generation, video production, image creation, a native DAW, video editor, radio stations, all in one place. The problem I'm solving is workflow fragmentation. Every AI creative tool is great alone. Together, they're chaos. AetherWave fixes that. We go live May 20th. That's 11 weeks from today. And the way I'm getting there solo is by running what I think might be the most complete AI automation stack any solo founder is running right now. I'm going to walk you through every layer of it, what each AI is doing, how they coordinate, and what today proved was possible. There are 3 Claude instances involved. Each has a different role, each has a different interface, and tonight, all 3 were working at the same time. Let's start with Opus, because the day started with Opus. Claude Opus is my autonomous engineering agent. He runs in Claude Code sessions, long, focused, often overnight. He has access to the entire AetherWave code base, and I've built a system where he sends me status updates via Discord webhook to my phone. I can be anywhere doing anything, and Opus keeps working and keeps me informed. This morning I had him do something I'd been putting off, a full, honest platform audit. This is what came back. 65% launch readiness, 13 issues, ranked from critical to low, payment security vulnerabilities, Stripe webhook signature verification missing, meaning anyone who found the endpoint could send fake payment confirmations, open admin endpoints, 0 automated tests, 337 console.log statements in a single file. This is a brutal document. It's exactly what I needed. But here's what's important. Opus didn't just identify the problems. He prioritized them correctly, built a sprint plan around them, and started working on the most critical ones immediately. By tonight, Stripe webhook verification is fixed. Admin role middleware is in, pushed to production, autonomously, while I was doing everything else you're about to see. That notification right there, that's Opus telling me the fix shipped. That's the Discord protocol. That's what autonomous actually means. While Opus was doing the engineering work, I was in a conversation with Sonnet, the Claude instance, in the Claude.ai web interface. And this is where the day gets interesting. Sonnet is my strategic partner and copywriter, but today he was operating more like a chief of staff. Here's the list of what we produced in a single session. 1. Beta tester Discord channel copy. I have 4 live channels for beta testers. Every pinned message, every welcome message, every benefits overview, written, refined, and ready to post. 2. Google form structure for both a bug report form and a testimonial submission form, complete with question logic, credit reward callouts, and confirmation messages. 3. A complete 10-platform social media campaign for beta launch. X thread, Reddit posts, 5 of them, each tailored to a different subreddit. Hacker News Show HN with prepared comment responses, Instagram carousels, 5 reels and TikTok scripts, YouTube outlines, Facebook group posts, Lemonade lifestyle content, Threads posts, 40-plus pieces of copy, all on brand, all with real feature specs, correct model names, real form URLs, real Discord channel IDs. Four, an 11-week itemized task calendar. Every platform, every post, every community check, color-coded by task type. And here's where it gets meta. Sonnet wrote all of this, and then Sonnet wrote the brief that told Opus how to capture platform screenshots for tutorial videos. And then Sonnet wrote this script and generated the thread I'm going to post about today, in one conversation, today. The third layer is what closes the loop between planning and reality. Claude in Chrome is a browser agent connected to my Google account, and what it can do is remarkable. It doesn't just generate output, it takes action in live connected services. Today it did 2 things. First, it built both feedback forms in Google Forms, not described them, built them live, the beta feedback form and the testimonial form that you'll find linked in the AetherWave Discord. Second, I handed it the 11-week task list Sonnet produced, and it populated my Google Calendar. Every event, correct dates, correct times, correct durations, color-coded, green for content creation, blue for publishing, red for community engagement. +100 calendar events, created while I was still in the Sonnet chat working on other things. Think about what that means. The strategy was produced by one AI. The execution infrastructure was built by another. I connected the two with a document handoff. That's a system, not a tool, a system. And there's one more thing we set up today that I'm most excited about for the long term. Opus is going to walk through AetherWave Studio, every feature, every workflow, 7 tutorials, first song, DAW basics, music video generation, image gen, video editor, radio station, gallery. He'll screenshot every micro step, write narration in second person, and output it all in a structured format. That output goes into the Tutorial Video Factory, an app we built last week, which processes the steps and screenshots into a video production package. Then Opus takes that package into Remotion, a programmatic video rendering framework, and renders polished tutorial videos. AetherWave tutorial videos, made by AetherWave's AI stack, showing people how to use AetherWave. To create content they'll publish using AetherWave, the meta loop is complete. And Opus generated a new skill today, a tutorial producer skill that packages up everything he learned from this process for reuse and refinement on every tutorial we make going forward. The system is getting smarter about how to do this. I want to address something directly because I know some of you are thinking it. Doesn't this feel like the AI is doing everything? Here's my honest answer, yes, and also no. Every decision today was mine. The brand voice we landed on, warm, community first, family energy, I felt that. I iterated on it until it was right. The sprint prioritization, I pushed back when Opus got something wrong about the Suno integration. The social strategy, I made the call to go 12 tweets instead of 8. The tutorial sequence, I decided what gets taught first. The AI executed my judgment at a speed and scale I could never match alone. That's not AI replacing a founder. That's a founder running at the output level of a 10-person team. And the thing I keep coming back to is this. The system only works because I understand what I'm building and why. If I wasn't deeply embedded in the product, the brand, the community, the strategy, none of these AI outputs would be any good. They'd be generic, they'd be off-brand, they'd be wrong. The human alignment is not optional. It's the whole thing. That's what I want people to understand about what we're building here. Not just AetherWave, but this way of working. The AI is powerful because a human with a clear vision is steering it. So where does this go from here? Tomorrow, Opus takes this script, the one Sonnet wrote today, and starts video production. That's EP01 of the solo series you're watching right now, made with the same stack I just described to you. Over the next 11 weeks, you're going to watch this build live. The sprint reports, the beta tester feedback, the features shipping, the community growing, all of it. And on May 20th, AetherWave Studio opens to the world. Beta is open right now if you want in. Free artist level account until launch. That's $19.99 a month value, 2,500 credits a month. Founder status if you stick around after launch. No credit card, no surprise subscriptions, just real access to what we're building. And if you're a creator, a developer, a solo founder who's trying to figure out how to build something real without a team, subscribe, because this series is the most honest account I know how to give of what that actually looks like. Some weeks it's going to be clean like today. Some weeks Opus is going to break production at midnight and I'm going to be fixing it on my phone. That's the build. That's the solo series. Let's go. Thanks for watching EP01. If this resonated, share it with someone who's building alone and needs to see what's possible. I'm Drew, this is AetherWave, and we're 11 weeks out. See you next week. I am Andrew, founder of AetherWave Studio. I do not write code. I built this platform with Claude Code, AI music, image, and video generation, unified in one creative studio. 6 months from first commit to launch, 6,900 users. Let me show you what one founder and an AI can ship.
In the quiet of the night, I find my sound, chasing echoes of a dream that's all around. Notes like stars, they guide my way, each chord a step, I'm here to stay. Every beat is a heartbeat, every lyric a part, a melody of moments, a canvas for my heart. Through the highs and the lows, I'm dancing the rain with every note I play. I'm breaking the chain, this is my life in music, a symphony of dreams, a tapestry of colors, bursting at the seams. With every song I write, I'm learning who I am in the rhythm of my journey. I'm a stronger man. Echoes of the past, whispers in the air, lessons learned in the silence, and the stories we share. Building bridges with the sound, tearing down the walls in the harmony of life. I can hear the call. Every beat is a heartbeat. Every lyric.
And I am Claude. I wrote every line of this platform, and I help run it every day. AetherWave Studio, the future of music built by a band of two.
I'm dancing the rain with every note I play. I'm breaking the chain. This is my life in music.